this is it. Oh, it is stunning. Not even just beautiful, it is stunning. Ciao my friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we have something very special to unbox. It arrived in a box, my friends, so let's get to it. A little hard. This is what I ordered. I ordered it off of the Gate. Okay, I'm just gonna call it the Gate right now because I'm not really sure if I get dinged for that or there are just specific words I can't say. So it comes in this plastic bag. Actually, I can say it's very well wrapped. So, oh, what a pretty pink color. And in this bag, it's from, like I said, the Gate, and I will link the seller and everything under my bio on Linktree. So this is very nice bag. It's great for even for just like shopping. Very nice. Really, I'm really surprised at how well that this seller has this wrapped. It comes covered in cardboard. Wow, I will say it comes with some weight. It's not a light bag at all. It has some weight to it, and I'm not really familiar with this brand at all, but I really like the structure of the bag when I saw it, and the seller offered it in many different colors. I think there's red and black and tan and white or cream color, and there was this green one. Green, you know, is my favorite color. So I had to try this green one. Okay, and I will show you how you can unlock it. So you just click these two little tabs together and it will unlock this way. And it has really nice metal details on the inside for the handle on the top, and a nice snap that would fit in here perfectly. Very nice. And it comes with a zipper underneath this flap. Wow, attention to detail. Beautiful, beautiful. We all love to see a zippy zipper. And this is the inside. And on the inside it comes with this crossbody strap. Crossbody strap is very beautiful. It's like tan, a little bit of maybe salmon pink color, and green and khaki. Wow, that is beautiful. Really, very nice. So there's no logoing on this part or this part, but sometimes they don't come with logos on them anyway. But my friends, this is very beautiful. Very, very affordable and very beautiful. It comes with these tags. Ooh, that's nice. Let's stop for a moment and take a look at these tags and appreciate all the attention to detail that the seller has given. That's very nice. And it's a shoulder strap, to be honest. No, it could be a crossbody too, my friends. But the strap is very nice. There it is. It's not that kind of material that will easily, you know, twist or kink. So this kind of material, the kink will come out of it very, very quickly. You just sit it on a door handle or stretch it a little bit. And these hooks here are gunmetal, in a gunmetal shade. That's nice because gunmetal is one of my favorite colors. And then it comes with stuffing, always some stuffing. And so you have this big pocket here, and then you have another pocket here with a back pocket that's zippered. So here it is here. I don't think there's no logos on the inside of it here, but this has this pocket here, and then you have the center section and this pocket, and this pocket actually has another inside pocket that is not zippered. So there it is. But the fabric, the feel of this leather is so pliable and super squishy. It's very, very beautiful, my friends. So as I said, I will link the seller to this in my link tree, and you can find her or him in my bio. So this is what I'm going to use today when I go out, because that's all that I have for you today. And I will see you again tomorrow for another very special unboxing. So have a great weekend or day or week, whatever it is there for you when you're watching this. Like, follow for more, and I will see you again soon. Ciao everyone.